1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Jimmy. Happy birthday, Mercy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to both of you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jimmy. Actually, ang dami kong memories sa'yo eh. You are I treat you as my second father. I remember dun sa Banana Road, na kapag aalis ka, you always give me 1 peso.
Oh, piso.
Then, pag si daddy ang aalis, bibigay niya lang ako ng 25 cents. Mas malaki ka. Mas marami ka kasing pera nun. Mas mayaman ka. So, yun yung mga naalala ko sa'yo, yung kung paano mo minahal yung family natin, mami, kung paano ka nag-ipon, nagsumikap na magkaroon tayo ng, I think tayo ata, nagkaroon ng parang stereo na malaki, na naka-box pa, tapos ang dami-dami mong mga long playing,
mga Beatles,
mga vinyl, ang dami mo. So, papatugtog ka, tapos, naalala ko pa, hindi ko makalimutan yung inaway mo si Eding Pilay, sinugod mo, kasi, I don't know kung nare-recall mo yun si Eding Pilay na medyo meron siyang mental health issue, pero pinasok tayo at sinugod mo yun. So, yung mga ganong memories, little things na stay in my mind, na kung paano mo talaga you love your family, mommy, us, lalo na ako kasi ako yung bunso. So, talagang, even nung nasa Pasig kayo, you treat me as your, akala nga nila, panganay mo kong anak eh, di ba? Malagi ako napagkakamala na panganay mo na, kasi si Ate Mars too is always bringing me, nung wala pa kayong baby, hindi pa dumarating si Butching, always bring me to sa mga ano niya, sa San Juan. Kaya kilala ko yung mga kapatid ni Ate Mars. Doon ko nakilala si Lenny na naging best friend ko. So those memories, hindi part yun ng aking growing up, part yun ng buhay ko na hindi ko makakalimutan, na you are my second parent, and I thank you for that, for taking care of me, for taking care of us. Thank you. So I know you have so many dreams. Hindi mo man siya, sinasabi ko nga kay Raymond na you have so many dreams in your mind, you really want to be a millionaire. Pero, maring hindi mo man siya nakuha, pero God has other plan na through Marge, sa kanya, lahat ng fulfillment na gusto mo, sa kanya napunta, siya ang nag-fulfill for you. And, yeah, that's why, kung ano man si Marge ngayon is also, you're also part of that. Kasi, na-inculcate mo kay Marge how to be strong, how to be perseverance niya, kung paano siya I think kung ano si Marge ngayon is also part of, ikaw yun, malaking influence mo sa kanya, kayo ni Ate Mars. So, and Ate Mars, thank you also for loving my brother unconditionally. I know how crazy and how pasawayan si Jimmy, pero despite of that, you stayed and you love him and take care of him. So I wish you more good health, and I wish more happiness, joy, contentment. So happy memories for your families. I hope I can be home soon and be with you guys. Yeah, that's my prayer, na sana na bago mag-expire yung buhay natin dito sa earth. Alam mo naman tayo dito, we're only just transient, dumadaan lang tayo. Hindi natin alam kung life is so short, hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo mawawala. Maring ako mauna, maring hindi, you'll never know. But my prayer is makita ko pa kayong lahat. Makita ko pa ikaw, si Ate Bubot, si Tongtong, si Jimmy, si Bing. Magkasama-sama pa rin tayo as as siblings. So yeah, yun. So, take care of yourself. So, wag ka masyadong, sana you stop smoking. Wag na kayong, para for your long life. And, yeah, enjoy your day. Happy birthday. I love you both. I love you, Jimmy.
Hi, Jimmy, Ate Mers. Happy birthday, and may you always reach your dreams. And one thing I just want to tell you is that you count your blessing, and your blessing are always your children. And I believe when Marge called us that to give you a surprise video recording and video message, I said, wow, such a great daughter, and really appreciate what Marge is doing. And the only reason why she called us is because I want Papa or Daddy and Ate Mer and Mama to be very happy on their birthday. And that is but a treasure that you have to count as real blessing. So once again, Jimmy and Ate Mers, happy birthday!
Birthday.
Bye-bye!
Bye. Love you both.